Okay, we're going to do some soil structuring today out in the field, and we're going to use the visual evaluation of soil structure, and we're going to use this sheet. And you can see from there it's got what we're going to judge our soil against, and it looks at the conditions and how you actually do the process. Okay, let's get started. We dig 3 sides around this bit of soil and leave the front edge uncut so we get a bit more idea of what's actually naturally occurring in the soil. We'll try and lever it out. We'll try and lever it out as much as we can in one piece. Now obviously soil conditions will determine this wet and dry. Now once again here we've chosen a bit that's a bit more compacted here. So we're looking at the structure down here. So we've almost got 3 little zones there that it naturally broke into. What we're finding here at the bottom zone again is a bit more friable tilth, but we've got a zone here. So let's use our chart here and measure it. So we've probably just about got our 25 centimetres. We definitely seem to see a natural break here at 15 centimetres. We've got another zone just underneath it, and then we've perhaps got a more friable zone here. So the first thing I think is actually I don't need to be going down into this area too much here with any cultivations because it's already pretty well structured. Where I need to concentrate is in here. So let's have a look at it. So I'm already observing some earthworms, so that's good. I'm just going to break this up and see. Yeah, I can see a bit blockier structure in here. Then we'll just have a look at this piece as well. Break this up. Actually in it we could almost just see another zone there. So, but I'll keep it into 3 zones here. Break this up with my hands. Just have a look. Not too bad on the top there. Quite a lot of moisture. I'm still trying to keep it in those zones again. So I've got this zone of 15 centimetres. Another one maybe of 5, and another one maybe another 5 on the bottom. So let's start on the top here. I might think that this is this top zone is in a 3 area. So if you look on this chart here, it's a sort of 3 area. So I'd give it a sort of a 3.1. The middle area actually is not quite so bad. It's a little bit more moist actually, so it breaks up a little bit. So I might give this one a 2.5, and then this one would be a low 2 here. So how do we score it? Well, here's our chart for scoring it. So my first zone would be depth of layer 15 centimetres, and I'd give it a score of, we said about 3.1. The next layer would be 5, give it 2.5, and the furthest one would be maybe 5 again and 2. So let's just fill that in. So we'll now look at the calculations to get our structure score. So we had a 25 centimetre depth. First block was 15, so 15 times 3.1 divided by 25. The second block, 5 by 2.5 divided by 25, and the third block is 5 by 2.1 divided by 25. You'll get 3 scores. So the first score was 1.86, second score is 0.5, third score is 0.42. You add those 3 together, gives us 2.78. So in that first block of soil we had our average VESS score is 2.78. Obviously this spreadsheet, you probably might put it on your computer, do all the hard work for you, keep them little grey cells rested, but you'll fill the rest of that in and you'll get your average score. And you'll do that, you maybe do that 10 or 15 times in your field, or you may decide that actually you've got a good picture after 5 samples.